Hi, in this video we are going to see how to finish the angled neckline with canvas sheet. Take the canvas sheet, fold the canvas sheet into half, place the folded side of the neckline on top of the folded side of the canvas sheet and mark the exact marking. So this is the technique we followed for square and U neckline in my previous video, but here we are going to open the canvas sheet and open the neckline and trace the neckline here. So this is one more technique of tracing the neckline. You can open and place the canvas, open and place the neckline and trace the exact marking of the neckline like this. Keep the chalk straight and trace the neckline. Now remove your fabric. Mark the shoulder line straight. So here usually in the square neckline and U neckline we have seen 1 inch we have left in the same shape. If it is square we have left the 1 inch outer in the same shape. But here in the designer neckline you can make it as U here. Approximately it should be 1 inch distance. Now you can cut and take out the canvas. Now the canvas is ready to iron it on the fabric. Take the leftover fabric. So place the canvas rough side on top of the wrong side of the fabric and press it neatly till it gets stick to the fabric tightly. And also before ironing, make sure just spread it with the hand. Make sure your canvas is not having any wrinkles. So just with this hand smoothly how to spread out and make the neckline neat and aligned. So once it gets stick to the cloth firmly, mark 1 centimeter all over the canvas and cut. So place the tape like this, mark 1 centimeter all over the canvas outer circle and cut and take out the canvas out. So outer circle we have given 1 centimeter seam allowance, shoulder part and inner neckline should be cut exactly. So now the canvas is ready to stitch. We'll start stitching. So before that you have to check whether the canvas matches with your neckline. So it matches perfectly. We'll start stitching now. So before attaching the canvas you have to stitch the corner fabric on top of the canvas like this, fold it and give the stitch exactly in the edge. So this is similar to U neckline what we have made, the corner stitch exactly. So when you stitch you'll get the wrinkles. You have to break the wrinkles into small wrinkles. Place the finger like this and give the stitch exactly in the corner. Lock it in the end and finish it. So after completing, the canvas will look like this. Now take the canvas and align the right side on right side of the canvas on right side of the neck. Pin it on 3 corners. After pinning all 3 corners, stitch in 1/4 distance. Give the stitch according to the neckline shape. When you come to the corner, drop the needle, lift the footer and turn to the other side. Drop the needle, turn to the other side. So align the edge to the footer, so that will be the 1/4 distance. Lock it in the end and finish it. Remove the pins and give notches all over the neckline. When you give notches, make sure that you are giving the notches in the angled point. After giving the notches all over the neckline, you have to give the top stitch on top of the canvas now. So here in last video we have seen square and U neck where the top stitch is very simple, but here we are going to see the angled neckline. So here I'll show you how to give the top stitch. This part will be little tricky. It's not little tricky or a tough point. You have to catch the point what we are trying to say and make sure that you understand the concept, and you have to apply the same to any type of designer neck. So the notch fabric should be towards the canvas, and just using the hand pull the fabric on both the side and give the top stitch. So in this neckline you'll have 3 sharp points. So okay, now we are going to reach the first sharp point. So in that sharp point, if you see, there will be a fold. In canvas you can see there will be a fold. Just place the hand on the fold like this and continue the top stitch. Now we are going to reach the other sharp point, but you should not do the same point here. The same method you should not follow here. Here what you have to do is give the stitch very close to the sharp point and turn the fabric to the opposite side like this. Okay, so and run the stitch till the sharp point, drop the needle and turn it again like this. Follow the same step when you reach the other side of the sharp point and finish the neckline. Lock it and finish it in the end. So your neckline is completed now. Turn the canvas completely to the wrong side and give a nice press in the front, so your neckline will be very neat. So when you follow this technique, there will not be any stitches visible on the right side. Your dress, whatever dress you are going to make, the dress will be very neat without any stitches on the right side. So this is how it looks on the right side. You have to give the nice press, so it will become flat without any fabric standing outside, and the wrong side will be like this. Do hand hemming in the wrong side. Hope you all like the video. See you in next interesting video. Thank you all. Bye bye.